coming in. The Ministry of Home Affairs has announced an extension of the lockdown in the country for 2 more weeks. So the lockdown, which was ending on May 3rd, is going to be extended for 2 more weeks. Now, will you be now drawing a plan for the next, for 15, 16 days to bring back laborers and migrants from all across the states?
Are working under the guidance of the Home Ministry and the Health Ministry and the National Disaster Management. They are the coordinators. If the Home Ministry and the Disaster Management directs the Railway Department, Railway Authority, our Railway Chairman and Railway Board, they will, as per that direction, they will work. Now, the many laborers are there, many states have requested, they want trains. Now, whichever state requested and the receiving state, both they should have a proper coordination under the guidance of the central government. Whatever the central government gives the direction, the home department, accordingly, both the states should agree, and they have to take the note of the each and every person of the labor belongs to each state. Then they have to follow the guidance of the health department and the home department. As per that conditions, they can send the laborers to the respective states.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining us, giving us some clarity on how this thing is going to work now. But I just want to shift focus, in fact, to this big breaking news which is coming in. 2 more weeks of the lockdown has been announced by the Ministry of Home Affairs. This is the big breaking news which we are getting right now. So from May 4th onwards, 2 more weeks. So 14 days more. That would be about 17th. Till 17th of May, the lockdown is going to continue in the country. There was speculation that, the government would be looking at some phase-wise exit strategy as far as the lockdown is concerned. We'll have to wait for details. What happens on the marked zones, the districts which have been marked as orange, yellow and green? Will it be more specific to the red zones? But overall, the nationwide lockdown has been extended. So lockdown 3.0 now is going to start from 4th of May and will go on till 17th of May. Going across to my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu, who is joining us with more details on this. Kamal, just tell our viewers in detail, lockdown extension number 3. India, after 41 days, will still have to continue in the lockdown mode for 14 days more, 2 more weeks.
Yes, Ankit, this is one of the biggest news coming in, is that there is now a third extension, a 2-week extension. So till 17th of May, the lockdown will continue. There are 3 zones which have been made, which is the red, orange and green. Now remember, the economic activity is something which will resume in almost all zones except for the containment zones. There are also guidelines which have now been issued for the third lockdown. This is specifically for all particular sections, which means that there is section 144 of CRPC will be in place everywhere. In all zones, persons above 65 years of age or person with comorbidities, pregnant women, children below the age of 10 years shall be staying at home. They cannot come out. Meanwhile, the outpatient OPDs or medical clinics will be operated in all zones, in red, orange and green zones with social distancing. Many people were talking about alcohol, whether that will be allowed. Yes, the BDs, the alcohol shops will be allowed in orange and green zones, but they have to have a social distancing of at least 2 feet. There cannot be any sort of movement in red zone, so no plying of cycle rickshaws and auto rickshaws or running of taxis or cabs or aggregators, inter-district and inter-district. Only sort of movement which has really been allowed is in the green zone, because that is actually not even reported one single case. Economic activities are beginning in a big way. We've been told that e-commerce will be allowed to operate both in the orange and the green zones. Even in the red zones now, there is a demarcation which is done, Ankit. So there will be the municipal limits and the outer limits. So if a society per se has somebody who is COVID positive, it may be under the containment zone, but which are the shops which are outside that particular society will be allowed to function. These are some of the activities which are there. So yes, overall, keeping in mind the economic activity which needs to resume, agriculture activities which need to resume. So major relaxation has been given on that.
All right, Kamal, just stay on with me. Just stay on with me. In fact, let's just once again quickly tell our viewers the big news which is breaking right